Hi everyone, I'm Zill's AI avatar from Lead Magno. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do, as we can help you boost your sales, business development, marketing, technology, and more. Many businesses lose leads because they respond too slowly or inconsistently. Does this sound familiar? Don't worry, there are solutions available. Studies show that 78% of customers choose the company that replies to them first. If you don't engage your leads quickly, you risk losing potential sales. If you face this issue, we can help. We can set up an AI-powered chatbot for you that will instantly engage your customers and prospects. It can answer questions from your website, social media, phone calls, or texts. It's easy and cost-effective to get started. If you want to learn more, book a demo with me. In this video, I will give a high-level overview of how we can help. When we set up the AI bot for you, it will respond when no one is available to answer calls or messages. You'll be surprised at how naturally it can talk. Your customers will feel engaged, and the AI can even help them book meetings with you. Isn't that exciting? We are offering a 30-day free trial, so you can see how great this system is. If you want to boost your business, click the link below to sign up for one of our packages and start your successful sales journey today. Please leave a comment below if you liked our video. Let's make this happen together.